Hello, my name is Aaron and this is the fourth tutorial. In this tutorial we'll be mainly dealing with two-dimensional sprites and loading them into the engine in 2D mode. As always, the first thing we're going to do is set the escape key to exit and set the game mode to 2D. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a bit of internal resource management. We're going to create a new folder. We're going to call it resources. Now we need a new sprite to load into the engine, so I'm going to go to our trusty Google, look up Paper Mario, now the one thing we need to make sure to remember is we want high quality images, so we're going to change the file type to PNG. Going to browse to our folder. And save it in there. We'll refresh this. We'll see that our Mario picture is in here. Now, in order to make it eligible to be semi-transparent sprite, because we see that it has a background, and we don't really want the background. If we load it up, the first thing we notice is it has a transparent background. Now unfortunately we can't use transparent backgrounds, so we're going to have to change it to a color. Now we have a few problems, because if we change it to black, then the engine will think the background is black and make everything that's black in the scene disappear. Unfortunately we can't use white because his gloves and feet are white as well. So we have to choose a color that's not in the image. I'm going to be choosing a bright pink. Clearly not in the image. Save it again and close. After we've done that, we can automatically generate the mask by using the generate mask for file. Now we need to designate the file, so we'll create a new file. And we need to give it the full source directory, so source/SAGMA games/games/games/resources/mario.png. Import file, and that, and generate for the Mario image. After we've done this, we want to make a nice background, so we're going to make the background the Alpine North, so it can be in the Alps. And finally, we make a Mario. Now one shortcut we can use is we can define the game directory. As this string here. That just makes things a little bit easier. Import instance. Add Mario. We need to set its size. and I have to quickly change this PNG to a BMP, because I forgot the RP North was a BMP. Now, if we run the engine, we'll see that Mario shouldn't be displayed. And this is because we've done one of two mistakes. The first mistake we could have made is that we've drawn the background first, and then added a Mario on top of that. But the engine sees things backwards, so we've either put things the wrong way. The actual mistake that we have made is that we've set them both to the same depth. Now we can edit this by pushing Mario forward towards the screen. To do this, we get the state of Mario, and we set the location. Now the depth is this final number here, and a negative is closer to the screen, but it can only be up to 1. We're going to need to push it slightly towards the screen. We'll run the engine again. And now Mario correctly displays. That is the end of tutorial 4. Feel free to post any comments or questions.